Hello students, this is Shuprakash and today you will study here fourth poem of your book, that is First Flight, and the name of the poem is How to Tell Wild Animals. It is written by Carolyn Wells. She is well-known American poet who is famous for her mystery books. One of her famous book is The Jingle Book. Students, first of all, I will tell you some important meanings which are very useful for your knowledge of this poem. These are the meanings which you must know before reading the poem. You can note it down. So now I will tell you about the poem. Here the poet has described various animals, in fact wild animals you can say, and they are very dangerous for anyone, but she represents here all of them in very humorous way. So first of all we will read the poem, and then after I will explain you. If ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars at you as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. So here the poem, in first stanza, the poet tells about Asian lion. You know that lion is very dangerous animal. If it meets someone, surely it will eat the person, and the way of roaring means it roars with such a loudness that anyone can die. So in a very humorous way she tells us that if you meet by chance to any such beast in the jungle of east, and you can find it in east only, means in India and in eastern countries, that is in Asian countries. So it comes walking very carefully, and here it is given tawny beast, that is a yellowish brown color beast, and you know Asiatic lion is of the same color, that is yellowish brown color, and he roars in such a way that anyone can die only by its roar. He roars in such a loud voice. So here you will identify that it is an Asian lion, or you can say Asiatic lion also. So in first stanza there is a characteristic of Asian lion, and let's come to the second stanza. Or if sometime when roaming round a noble wild beast greets you with the black stripes on a yellow ground, just notice if he eats you. The simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. So the next animal is Bengal tiger. You know very well. It is a national animal, and by anyhow if you meet any such beast that is on yellow background and with black stripes, and the poet says here just notice if he eats you, means it always eager to eat anyone because it is always hungry, and when it will eat you, then only you will know that it is Bengal tiger, and this is how you will identify the beast. The next comes the leopard. You know very well that it's the fastest land animal and it can run up to 92 km/h speed. So when any beast gently walks towards you and he has a peppered spot means on yellow background he has black spot like any cat, you can say. So what the beast does, just leaps at you, means it jumps on the prey and surely it will kill the person. So whenever it finds you, so there is no good that you have any pain, because it will not let you escape from that place. It is said that he will only leap and leap. Leap means leaped and leaped again. So in this way you can identify the beast, that is leopard. Here the next comes bear. You know very well that it doesn't bite. If when you are walking around your yard you meet a creature there who hugs you very hard, be sure it is a bear. If you have any doubts, I guess he will give you just one more caress. So bear is such a beast which does not bite you. It only hugs you very hard that the person may die, and surely he will die. It's not possibility that the person will escape from his death. So what he does, he hugs very hard, and in that hard hug a person dies. And if you have any doubt, then you can say he will give you a gentle touch. Gentle touch, what is his gentle touch? That is very hard. So in this way you will find that the beast is bear. Here in this paragraph two beasts are given. The first one is crocodile and the next one is hyena. So let's read. Though to distinguish beast of prey a novice might nonplus the crocodile, you always may tell from the hyena thus. Hyena come with a merry smiles, but if they weep they are crocodiles. Both are attacking beast. The one that is crocodile, it always creeps to the prey and all of a sudden it jumps, and in the same way hyena also does. So crocodile, it is regarded that it always lives in the rivers, and hyena, that is a land animal, and crocodile is said to be weeping, and hyena has always smiling face, and when they both want to prey anyone, crocodile always appears to be weeping and hyena always appears to be smiling, that it has a smiling face and it has a weeping face. So in this way a novice can never find, because he will be confused on the characteristics of both the animals. But whenever you will find that a weeping beast making you the prey, then you will find that it is crocodile, and when any smiling beast makes you it's a prey, then you will find that it is hyena. In the last paragraph here, it is described about chameleon. It is not regarded any dangerous but a changing color lizard. The true chameleon is a small, a lizard sort of thing. He hasn't any ears at all and not a single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, it is the chameleon you see. Means it has the ability of changing its color, and it comes from the family of lizard. And whenever you find that there is nothing on the tree, it always lives. You can find the lizard, and it is a member of lizard family and called chameleon. So whenever it is on the tree, then it has green color. On land, then the same color. Whatever the background it has, it changes its body color accordingly. So whenever you find that on any tree there's nothing, no one is there, then you will find that surely chameleon will be there. Now students, I will tell you the literary devices used here. The first is your rhyming scheme, that is AB, AB, C, C. A, that is chance, advance, east, beast, dying, lion. So this is the rhyming scheme here in every paragraph accordingly. Here assonance is used here, that is O, O, O. Vowel is used here many times, that is roars at you as you are dying. So assonance is there, and some other things, that is should to. Here also O. Then in this paragraph assonance is used. The next thing is enjambment, that is the continuation of the sentence from here and till here, and from here till the last. You will find that there is a continuation in the sentence, so enjambment is there. And in the same here also O, 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 O is given here, so assonance is there. And in roaming round, alliteration. Enjambment is also here, as you can find from here and till here. The sentence is in continuation, so enjambment is there. In next also you can find enjambment in every paragraph. So except it, I will tell you, assonance is there. O, 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 O is given, so it is assonance. And here lep, lep, that is, you can say, poetic license, because the meaning, the spelling is not correct, and it is said to be leapt. And here the spelling is wrong, but through the poetic license you can use any spelling for any word. In this paragraph also, enjambment from here to here, the sentences continue, so enjambment is there. And when walking, in this you will find alliteration, and E, 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 the repetition of the vowel E, and that is assonance. In the next paragraph you will find the continuation from here to here, and that is enjambment. and in novice, non plus, alliteration is there. And in this sentence also, from here to here, the sentence is continue. So enjambment is there, he hasn't, alliteration, and in both these sentence G is repeated, so consonance is there. So this is all about your poem. Hopefully you will have understood very well.